metals, a space which has had a tremendous rally thus far. Now, the overarching thesis is if US indeed is going with the stimulus plan, if the supplies are all constrained, then the bear thesis, hypothesis doesn't play out. The Again, not the naysayer really, but the skeptic says that typically when commodity companies start announcing capex plans, large capex plans, that's when you start seeing the beginning of the end, because that's probably peak profitability. What's your thought here? Indian steel firstly, because that's what everybody seems to be betting on, and then the non-ferrous side as well.
So I think currently we are in a very sort of, I would say, if it is a 1 to 10 scale, probably we are at 4 or 5 in that cycle. For the simple reason we have just begun to see. Of course, stock prices have gone up sharply from the low levels, 4x, 5x, but we haven't seen still capacities coming through. Some of them have announced not widespread. I think still we haven't seen any M&A happening. So these are the typical signs of kind of peaking out. Currently, I think still it is underowned by a lot of players. So I don't think we are very early stage of that sort of recovery. And we will if all the hypothesis about spending money on the infrastructure development happens, including India is planning to have very big infrastructure spend. So they can't be a quarter or two kind of driver. They are bound to last 3 years, 4 years. So I think we are slightly early in that sort of hypothesis, I would say. Having said that, it's a volatile sector, it's a globally sensitive sector. One has to be very, very careful. I mean, we stay away from this sector despite we having a view on it. We stay away from it and we try to play through this, but not directly, through that. Because there are different ways. Everybody has a strength and weakness in their way of playing markets, investing into markets.